Hi y'all, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at Revit structure, our warehouse project, and we're going to look at reinforcing wire mesh. So we've got our, let me just put this in wireframe and see where we are with this project. If I look at this in wireframe, you'll see, yeah, we got a pretty fair amount done here, but now we need to work on our walls. So just going to put that back in hidden line. And what we'll do is we'll go into area here, and then we'll select this wall. And then you can just pick the line here. You want to pick that one, that bottom, I guess that one, that one. Now I think the neat thing about this, it'll wrap the windows as well. So let's go here. Let's see here. We'll close that up right there. The top is good. We want to change the span. Might not really matter here. And let's go finish. Okay, so what happened is it didn't, so we got to go around our windows here. Oh, we didn't have to go there. It cut around those windows, but it didn't cut around these. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so those windows are good, but these are not. So, okay, that's cool. So I'm gonna just undo that right quick. Go back to my shaded view. Let's just undo this. Do it the right way. Okay. Let's just cancel this now. Yes. So let's try that again. So we're gonna do area, and then we'll go pick the wall. And then we go and pick a line here. We have to go here, around the doors, but not the windows, which is good. I don't know why it does that, but I'm not gonna complain about it. So we gotta do some stuff here because I know Revit is not gonna let us do this. So what I'm gonna try to do is see if I can do this. Cheat a little bit. Okay, so now let's finish this. Let's change the span here. I wanna finish. Outside of the host, okay. So it says something's outside of the host. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'll just do one more wall for you guys. And see, there's the wall. That was that one with the reinforcing it. So I can select it and edit it or whatever I want to do with it. But anyway, let's go back to our shaded view. Hidden line. So let's do this wall right quick. We need all four of them done actually, but I'm not going to go through that. So here we go, area, and then here in our properties, area, I want to select this wall. I'm going to pick a line here. See that go in there? I didn't see it. Yeah. Let's see, let's try it again. Uh-oh, something's going on there. Come on, bugger. Let's see what's happening in the wireframe, if we can, from here. I don't see that line. Yeah, see. Let's delete this out because Revit is not going to let us do this. I'm going to delete that. Selection. So I'm gonna need a line from here. Just cheating here, y'all. From that point to there. And then I'm going to finish this. Uh-oh. I've got doors over here too. I forgot. Do I? Let's see what happens. Okay, continue. So we've got some issues here. So this is the thing about this. It get a little tricky every now and then, but it can be done in Revit. So I'm not going to bore you with this thing tonight. So let me just cancel this and do it right, properly. So here, there, we'll pick line here, there, there. I keep losing that line, man. That's what the problem is. I'm losing that line right there. So I'm gonna go from here to here to here. And this one there. So I need a line from here to there. I'm gonna pull this off. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna bore you with this. I'll finish this off, but you get the idea, I think. You gotta have the analytical walls if this is gonna work. Let's see if I can get this down, bad boy, now. Let's see if I can finish it. Okay, something's not popping. I don't necessarily see it. Oh, is that it? But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Is that it? It could be. Something's not closed or something is not kosher here. Let's do a wireframe look again, and after that I'm gonna leave it. Maybe that is it. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll make videos like this all the time or every day. So, hey guys, be safe and keep watching my videos. Continue. What's going on here? But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. I'm going to cancel that because I couldn't figure that out. But we did get this one in. So just go back and look at what we did here. It could be a little tedious, but that's how you do that. Area reinforcing in Revit. Thanks again, y'all. Please subscribe. Bye.